You're going to love this. Trust me, what you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this is what is known as a Super Saiyan that has ascended past a Super Saiyan. You could just call this a Super Saiyan 2.
Oh! You've changed your hair, so what?
Just wait.
Has he really found a way to surpass an ascended Saiyan?
What would that make him? Double ascended?
And this
What's he doing?
is to go even further beyond.